Hello dear friends, this is the Apple Fruit channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to copy the link to your publication in Instagram. After updating the app, now everyone knows how to do this. But in this video I will tell you about it. How to do it. You go to Instagram, you choose the desired publication or any other. In order to copy, I press 3 dots, and here I do not see a button to copy the link. How do you do it? You click on the button Share, and here you click here. You go down a little bit lower and you click Copy. But you can do it another way. You can click here, and sometimes there is a button here right away, Copy link. Click on it. These methods work. It's very simple. That was the Apple Fruit channel. Like and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.